What up? Today we are going to make duck jerky. Alright, you gonna get your duck. I got mine here on my wife's nice flowery cutting board. Go ahead and dry them off if you dethaw them and everything. But these are a little thick. Get you a sharp knife. You know, cut them in half. You want them pretty thin. Just like that. These are all teal breasts, so super thin. Just like that. You know, stick it. You can see where I shot him. You know, stick it in a Tupperware container, pretty good size one. Yay big. You're just gonna do that for all your breasts. Alright, after you get all your duck breast cut in half, next thing you're gonna do is make your cure marinade. So with this amount, I'm not gonna put like actually any cure. So I'll buy this from Walmart. It's got 3 different flavors in it: original, hickory, and whiskey pepper. I love the whiskey pepper. But be careful with these cure packets. It's a lot of salt and with sodium nitrate. Yeah, well, this cure is like 7 pounds of meat. It's like maybe half a pound. It's a pound of duck. So yeah, first batch I ever made, I threw this whole pack on there and say they were salty. But today we're gonna use a little bit of Dale's. I'm telling y'all, man, y'all go buy some of this stuff. I put it on everything. Gonna make some Dale's. This has got a lot of salt in it. That's why I'm not gonna put any more. I don't even know how to measure that. Just cover it up, bare. I wouldn't like halfway cover it up. Turn it down so you can see how much I put in there. It's not that much. Just enough to get them all wet. Then I'm gonna take big Himalayan salt. I just threw it in some random shaker so I can shake it out. You're just gonna very, very, very lightly dust these. Come on, man. Take a little bit of tiger sauce. It's good stuff. It's not hot. It's just got a good flavor to it. Dump that in there. And then I'm gonna add a little bit of wood fire garlic. We're gonna do light dusting. And then right here, the whiskey pepper seasoning out of this little box here. Gamekeeper. I'm gonna do that. And I'm probably gonna add the whole packet because I don't want it to be overly seasoned. Just dust the top of them. Just like that. That's got some salt in it too. You know, put your lid on and shake her around. Get her all shaken up. And I'm gonna keep shaking it, but I don't care to see me sit here and shake. Boom. That's looking good. Said I'm gonna shake this up some more, make sure they're 100% coated, and probably flatten them out a little better. And I'm gonna throw them in the refrigerator. These are gonna marinate for 12 hours. After 12 hours, I'll show you how I put them on and dehydrate them. All right, I gotta be quiet. Super early in the morning, but it's been 12 hours. Let's get this duck in the dehydrator. All right. Just gonna get our little sheets here. That one's gotta go on top. I don't think we have enough jerky to start putting it on first, but get your jerky. Look at that. Alright. Just gonna start laying it on. Well, I don't have a lot like this. I space it out a little more. I got this dehydrator at Walmart. Saw it one day and I was like, yep, I'm gonna start making jerky. Not expensive thing, it was like 50 bucks or something. And it works. This is the Gamekeeper. You can set the temp and the time. Alright. One. There's no rhyme or reason, like I said. Since I don't have as much, I'm going to space it out a little more. What I would if I was making a bunch of it at one time. Get off of there. And then you want to make sure, I'm not going to use this tray. See how this one's got the cap on it? I'm going to put that one on there. You got to have the one with the cap. Like, see the difference in those trays? You got to have the one with the cap on top. Big old thick piece, that's good. All right. You want to take a lid, put our lid on, plug her in. Now we'll get this thing. It is a little loud. All right, we're gonna set it for 8 hours. Temps at 140. 8 hours. Temps at 140. 8 hours at 140. Start. Now y'all can hear this thing. It is a little loud, but it makes this room smell amazing. All right, that's on there for the next 8 hours. I'll check it after 8 hours, and in the meantime, I'm gonna go drink beer and fish. All right, it is done. Ooh. There she is. That's looking good, dude. Let's give it a taste. That's good stuff. Man, y'all just follow that recipe on that duck. That was good. I didn't cut them too thin this time. They're real good. But anything else you want to see me cook? All this duck was shot early September in teal season. This is all blue wing teal. And man, is it good. That was really tender. Telling y'all. Anything else you want to see me cook up, just throw it in the comments or send me a message or whatever. Hop on Instagram, we're on there too. And let us know.